TimeWise Repair set. You guys, this is seriously like so amazing. Look how beautifully it's packaged too. I'm so excited to start this, and I can't wait to show you my results in the next 4 weeks. So the TimeWise Repair set comes with the cleanser, the lifting serum, a day cream and night cream, and the TimeWise Repair eye cream. And it's got this cool little insert. It says, "Lift the years away. Yes, please." So this is amazing. This set is truly 4 steps to fabulousness. So this will tell you how to do it, but I'm going to show you as well. So first, I'm going to go ahead and take off my makeup and use my eye cleaner. So you're just setting it on your eye so it melts your product, and then just gently wipe. Alright, so what I love most about the TimeWise Repair set is that it has retinol in it. Retinol is powerful in production of collagen, and collagen is what gives our skin that youthful elasticity and plumpness, to give us that youthful glow and appearance, and helps reduce fine lines and wrinkles exponentially. So let's get to it. I'm going to get my face wet, and I'm going to start with my cleanser. So I've got my foaming cleanser, and I'm just going to be putting a little bit, because everything in Mary Kay, a little bit goes a long way. And remember, you're going to be going up and out when you're washing your face. Oh my gosh, this smells amazing. Oh, I love it. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. Oh, and I love Mary Kay because they don't add fragrance. It's literally just the ingredients. So this is the retinol, the vitamin A. Oh, it smells amazing. Oh my goodness, I love this. So this is a foaming cleanser, so you want to get nice and foamy. It smells so good. And I like to get my neck too. Love it. Okay, go ahead and rinse. Oh, that's so good. Oh, I feel like I can see the difference already. Wow. Okay, you guys, you've got to try this. It is so good. So next, you're going to get your lifting serum. This stuff works amazing. You're going to want to get your neck, because we want to prevent that premature neck sagging, or if you have sagging skin, your jawline and your cheeks, because this is our triangle of youth that we want to lift. And you're going to go in a lifting motion as well when you're putting your serum on. Love it! Alright, and since it's nighttime, I'm going to be using my nighttime cream. And these are airtight, so when you first get your set, it has a dispenser on the top, and you have to pump it until you get some cream on there. So I'm going to use that much, and you are going to get your cream, and you're going to go up and out again when you're applying your day or nighttime lotion. So this all has retinol in it, and this is going to nourish and help your skin replenish itself at night for 12 hours until you get to wash your skin in the morning. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. Wow, love this line. Love it. And so your day cream is going to have your SPF 30 in it with your retinol. Alright, now time for my eye cream. What I love about the Repair Eye Cream is it has this metal tip applicator. It's so nice. But this is amazing. So you're just gonna put a little bit on, use your ring finger because that's your weakest finger for your delicate eye skin. And you're just gonna be putting it all over your eye area. Oh, love it. You can use that metal tip applicator to really help soothe those eye areas. Oh, so nice. Alright, voila, that's it. So that's the TimeWise Repair set. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you next time.